DHVTSU basketball. Pinasa kay number 9. Number 9, may tangan ng bola. Number 9. Passing me number 5. And one on number 9. Foul has been whistled. Foul on number 5, hacking foul. Bonus free throw on number 9. Pangilinan. Basket on number 9. Bullet pass on number 22. Last touch on City College of Angeles. Turnover. That's the basketball. Pass number 20. 10 to shoot. Shot clock at 5. Last touch on DHVTSU, City College of Angeles basketball. Inbounding number 12. Nasa kay number 5. Intercepted ni number 9. Counter intercepted. Still ni number 9. Number 9. Wala. Foul has been whistled. Foul number 22. 22 out, City College of Angeles. First basket ni Santos, wala. Second shot on Santos, number 14. Wala. Offensive rebound by number 14, Santos. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed on number 10. Pushing foul. 2 shots again for number 14, Santos. Up. Number 10 out. Dalawa yan kay number 14, Santos. Unang basket. Pasok. Second shot on number 14. 2 for 2 on number 14. Holding foul committed number 8. Inbound number 21. Nasa kay number 5. Torres. Nasa kay number 9. Almost a steal. Number 9. Or shotgun. A foul has been blown. Foul number 5. Dalawa, number 5. Warning for penalty. City College of Angeles. Warning for penalty. City College of Angeles. Number 9. May tangan na bola. Nasa number 10. Number 10. Tinira. Wala. Rebound, offensive rebound by number 11. Number 5. Nasa kay number 11. Penetrates. Na-block ni number 14. And then a sportsmanlike foul committed on number 14 of DHVTSU. Dalawang pitro yan plus ball possession sa City College of Angeles. Walang jumper yan. Number 14, Santos, out. Walang pitro yan plus ball possession tayo. Unang basket, pasok. Pangalawang tira. Wala. Same ball po tayo. Number 5, may tangan ng bola. Number 5. Number 11. It's a line violation. Turnover. DHVTSU basketball. Lamang ng 13 ang DHVTSU at 25-12. Number 9 may tanga ng bola. Nasa kay number 8. Yumol. Wala. And foul has been whistled. Foul number 10. Number 20 out. Nasa kay number 5. Number 5 may tanga ng bola. It's an offensive foul committed on number 11. Number 9 may hawak ng bola. Tinira number 3 sa labas. Wala. At put back. Number 8. Wala. And number 8. Wala pa rin. A rebound by number 9. Offensive rebound. Number 9. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 5. Torres. It's a traveling turnover. That's the basketball. Number 8 pass to number 9. Number 9 penetrates. Number 9 4-2. Bullet pass kay number 21. It's a turnover. That's the basketball. Number 8 Jumol out. Facing number 6 Castro. O muna. Number 9 may tanga ng bola. Number 9. Pinalik kay number 9. 4-3. 2 points only. Substitution. Number 5 out. Substitution rep. Intercepted. It's the last touch. Same ball. City College of Angeles basketball. Intercepted by number 10. A counter interception. It's the last touch of City College of Angeles DHVTSU basketball. Nasa kay number 9. Number 9 may tanga ng bola. Signaling a play. Number 9. Nasa kay number 1. 10 to shoot. Steal. Number 12. Penetrates. Wala. A rebound by number 9. Nasa kay number 1. Number 1. 4-2. Intercepted. Last touch on that City College of Angeles basketball. Basket timeout at the City College of Angeles. Number 11. Wala. A rebound by number 10. Number 9. Tanga ng bola. Signaling a play. Number 9. Pinasa kayo ng kapati. Number 3 fires. Wala. Put back. Wala pa rin. Last touch on inbounding number 21. Still. Timeout. City College of Angeles. Number 10 penetrates. It's a traveling. Number 12 may tanga ng bola. Number 6, holding foul. Castro. Warning for penalty for DHVTSU. It's that same ball. Shot clock remaining 16 seconds to shoot. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Intercepted by number 10. Pass number 6, Castro. Nakuha na number 1. Kick out pass number 30. Binalik kay number 6. 10 to shoot. Nakuha number 1. Shot clock at 5. Oh, 2 points on number 1. Nakuha number 9. Penetrate. Wala. Nakuha number 12. Wala pa rin. Ano ba? Defensive rebound by number 3. Number 30, Morales. Defensive rebound by number 11. Nakuha ni number 12. 10 seconds to shoot. Nasa kay Morales, number 30. Intercepted by number 19. Pinasa kay 11. Number 3. Pinasa kay number 12. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 12, wala. Ano ba by number 10? And 1 on number 11. Foul has been whistled. Basket count on number 30, Morales. Second on Morales. Score 35 for DHVTSU, 14 for the City College of Angeles. 11 points lead by DHVTSU. Back to the ball game. Check. Shooting the bonus withdrawal, number 11. Pasok. And 1. 10 na lang ang lamang ng DHVTSU at 35-15. Morales signaling a play. Morales fire. Wala. Nakuha number 6, Torres. Nakuha ni Morales. 9 to shoot. Number 6, put back. Last touch on DHVTSU, City College of Angeles basketball. Number 12. Number 12. Number 12, may tanga na bola. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds. Number 19, 42. Morales, may tanga ng bola. Signaling a play. Morales. Pinasa kay number 10. Number 10, 42. Balik sa 10 lamang at 37-17. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 13. Pushing foul. Number 10 out. 13. Two free throws. First basket. The number 9. Pasok. Second shot on number 9. Two for two on number 9. 37-19. Walo. Number 13 Morales. Number 13 for two. Balik sa 10. Last touch on City College basketball. Turnover, that's basketball. Substitute. Number 1 out. Number 9 out, City College of Angeles. Morales, may tanga ng bola. Morales. Put back ni number 16, wala. Number 10, 13, 42. A steal. Morales. Pinasa kay number 20. Number 11. Number 11, 42. Morales. Wala. Defensive rebound by number 12. Number 12 penetrates. Foul has been whistled. Foul on number 13. Substitution number 12 out for the City College of Angeles. Talo na yan, ha? Number 13. Shooter. Shooter pala yung papalitan. Number 12, shooting 42. First basket on number 12. Wala. Second shot on number 12. Split. Number 12 out to the City College of Angeles. 53 seconds. Five seconds. 10 seconds on the shot clock. It's an offensive foul has been committed on number 16. 36 seconds. Number 5 penetrates. Wala. Steal. Nakuha na number 6. Basket is good. Foul on number 5. Bonus free throw on number 6. Castro. $20 seconds. Shot clock is off. Morales. Clear block. 10 seconds. .1 seconds. Time out. Dubsy. Time remaining 5.1 seconds. Seconds. Time range 5.1. No more shot clock. 5.1 seconds. 2 seconds. That's the end of the